Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I have been bullet journaling for 3 years now, and at this point I'd like to consider myself a bit of a maximalist when it comes to bullet journaling. So I don't think I've ever really done a minimalistic spread. All of my spreads include a lot of photos, washi tape, markers, different fonts, and all of that. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different maximalist bullet journaling spreads. So yeah, let's get started. And also a big thanks to Memo for sending me this super cute little thermal printer to be using in my bullet journal spreads for today. So I got this really cute little pink color, and it comes with a roll of thermal paper in the actual printer, and then also a little separate box with 3 other rolls. So I got white paper and then also 3 rolls of clear. So this is just what it looks like when you open it up. You can easily change out the paper like this, and then also one cool thing is that the back of the paper is sticky, so it's really easy to put into your bullet journal after you print it out on the paper. So one thing to note is that because it is a thermal printer, the ink won't last on here forever, but because my bullet journals aren't really being used super roughly or anything like that, I think it works perfectly. So here's the app which you can use to put your own designs on there. They also have a bunch of different designs already pre-made that you can print onto the little mini printer to put into your bullet journal, or really anything. So I looked through some of those. There's some really cute options, and I also decided to make a few of my own. So I made this little calendar on Procreate just with a PNG I found online, and then I added a title with this like calligraphy type of font on top of it. I thought this would be a really cute thing to be able to put into my bullet journal, so I did it for September because that's the current month, and I just added that onto there. And then later on when I printed it out, I was easily able to put it in my bullet journal. And then I like that the sticker paper that I chose for this was clear, so that I could put it over top of like a colored piece of paper, or I could draw on the bullet journal before placing it on. So yeah, after that was done, I just saved it to my camera roll and opened it up in the app, and then I was able to print it from there. And while I was already printing things, I decided to print out some other little designs for my bullet journal spread. So I chose this little cute peace sign one and some other like florally type of ones. I think this one's really pretty, and later on I ended up coloring it in with a marker so I could have it colored, just because this printer does only print in black and white because it is a thermal printer. And if you guys are interested in purchasing your own mini thermal printer from Memo, I will leave a link, and you can use my code AbigailJulianne for 10% off of your purchase. So now that we're all ready to go, we're going to start by making some maximalist bullet journal spreads, which are definitely my favorite. So here I'm using a combination of some different Pinterest photos, some washi tape, some of those stickers that I previously made, and I'm just kind of doing a lot of layering. I think that's like the most important thing with maximalist bullet journaling, is just using a lot of different textures, a lot of different supplies, and different fonts. And here's the final spread. I love the color of this. This is one of my favorite colors of Tombow markers, and I think it matches really well with the sunflower photos and the gold washi tape and all of that. And I also used a gold gel pen to write in some events and stuff, and added some more little gold doodles around the page, and that is how it turned out. And for this next bullet journal spread, I'm going to start off by using some different colors of markers and doing these little floral doodles on one side to kind of make this like vertical column of floralness, I guess. I'm gonna end up adding some stickers over top of it later, but I'm just using a combination of this pink color, this navy blue, and then also some fine liners, and kind of just going crazy, adding different flowers, different leaves, and different designs like that. Here I'm using a little pink gel pen and this other dark blue gel pen. Then on the app, I'm going to print out the letters S, E, P, and T, and then I'm going to cut those out, and it's really easy to just stick them on over top, and I think this looks really cute because you can still see the little floral design behind it. I am adding this washi tape, and then I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and add some photos. I had these little flower things lying around from like a scrapbooking set from a long time ago, and I thought they kind of matched the little floral theme, so I added those in, added some more stickers, and then I'm writing out all of the days of the week in the navy Tombow marker in this like chunky calligraphy font. And in the empty space, I'm adding some more washi tape, some more like botanical doodles, different sparkles and stuff like that. And then I'm also using the same gold gel pen to write in stuff in like the spots for writing to-do lists, events, and all of that good stuff. So that is the completed spread. The last Maximalist bullet journal spread for today, I'm going to start by taking out some scrapbooking paper, which is another excellent way to add some more texture to your page. I'm gluing that on with some glue sticks, and then I'm going to write out September in this yellow font. I'm using one of the faux memo stickers that I made and then coloring it in with a yellow marker to kind of add some color to the flowers, which ended up working really well. So I printed out this little calendar that I showed before and taped that on, and then I'm making this little to-do box with this cute little drop shadow. Drop shadow is another great way to add more detail to your page, so that's another great tip. Here is another little flower, the same one as the previous page. This one is just in yellow, and I added the days of the week with these cute little calligraphy stickers that I made on Procreate, some colorful washi tape, some more different doodles and stuff like that. As you can see, I often do the same doodles. I don't know what it is with this like one leafy shape. I'm always into it, and it's the first thing that comes to mind, and I think it always looks really cute. So it's probably in like 95% of my bullet journal spreads, but that's okay. I love how it looks. So I'm just kind of going crazy, adding all of those doodles in. I added some little flowers as well to match the theme, and I did that with also this yellow marker. And then in this corner over here, I wanted to do a little favorite section, which is one of my favorite things to do in a weekly spread. And then I just added in some to-do lists, events, and stuff like that that you would usually use a bullet journal for, just to kind of show how it would look when it is all completely filled up. And I think it looks really cool and full, and it makes me super inspired and creative just looking at it. So that is the third completed Maximalist bullet journal spread. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!